How to fix DoorDash won't let you place order. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if your app is up to date or not. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, and at the top you're going to see the storage box. Over there, type in the app name DoorDash and then search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache by the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general, then head over to the option of iPhone storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps. Head towards the app DoorDash. Once you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache by the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, make sure you have set up the valid shipping address and shipping method. Also, make sure you have updated your payment details and is correct. In the case all the details provided are correct and still you are not able to place the order, what you have to do is delete this app and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of delete app. You will get the pop-up. Click on delete for the confirmation. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app DoorDash. After app appears, install it. Then log into your account and try to order. Your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix DoorDash app won't let you place order. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.